Overhead press with a dumbbell. The overhead press, done with the dumbbell, you're going to start with the dumbbells slightly above the shoulders. Think about having the dumbbells out away from your head, but resting so that your forearms are vertical or in line with gravity. And then you're going to basically extend your arms above your head in full overhead extension, unless you don't have the requisite mobility in your shoulders or in your lats. If it feels tight or if it feels uncomfortable or you're starting to feel load in your lower back, then only do quarter press to then half press to then three quarters press to then full extension press. And then you're going to need to work on the mobility of your lat and your shoulders before you can get to that full range of motion.